Welcome back to the channel. I'm Colin, and this will be an overview of the ddHiFi PC150Pro DIY power cable. This is a complete power cord produced by ddHiFi. Originally, I wanted to make a video on assembling and DIYing this cable, but I was surprised to find out it's already assembled and completed. I asked ddHiFi about it, and they told me all the power cords will be shipped out this way when you purchase from their site. There's no DIYing necessary, although it's marketed as a DIY cable. You don't need to worry even if you have zero DIY skills. So here's the packaging of the PC150Pro power cord. It comes in a magnetic box. Then you have detailed assembly instructions in English and Chinese. Here's the cable itself. There's also a screwdriver and some more documentation. Let's take a look at the connectors first. I have mine in the US plug, but it's also available in GB and EU plugs. The metal connection points on the plug and inside the IEC plug is made from gold-plated copper. The plug has a diameter of 37 millimeters. It's quite large like most hi-fi power cables. So make sure the device you're using it on has enough space around the plug and that the connector is not recessed. And the cable itself, it's wrapped with a black mesh. The diameter is 10.5 millimeters, including the mesh. The cable is quite flexible, so it should be fine if you have to route the cable through tight spaces. So I unscrewed the plug to show you the inside of the cable and connectors. You can see that the connections are clearly labeled, as this was intended to be a DIY cable. But for the conductors, the earth wire, which is the green one, is made from stranded OFC copper with a HDPE cable jacket. The live and neutral conductors, which are the red and black conductors, are made from stranded 6N OCC copper with a HDPE cable jacket. All three conductors have a conductor area of 2 millimeters square. So this is the PC150Pro. ddHiFi also makes a PC150 that has a cable made from OFC and silver-plated OFC conductors, which is about $40 cheaper than this one. The Pro version, which is the one I have here, retails for $120. ddHiFi says the Pro version has better mid-high frequency resolution and a wider soundstage. Whether it makes a difference or not, I don't know, as I only have the Pro version. Now before I talk about the sound, I just wanted to express my opinion on cables in general. For me, I never buy a cable with the intention to improve the sound quality of my system. I mostly buy cables when I want a specific length or I like the aesthetics of a cable. The budget I spend on a cable is usually within a quarter of the price of the equipment I'm going to use it on. That said, I don't have any experience with super expensive high-end cables. Using the PC150Pro on my Mission 778X integrated amplifier, driving my Warfordale Denton 85s, compared with the modest stock power cord it came with, I think I heard more treble energy with the PC150Pro. As you expect from a cable, the differences will be minuscule. And my impressions are highly subjective, and I doubt that I would notice if someone quietly swapped back to the stock cable. So keep that in mind. If you want to hear the cable for yourself, I've recorded a sound demo with the stock cable and with the PC150Pro for you to compare. It's a blind test, so I'll let you know in the end which cable was A and which was B. Please note that the sound demo is just the power cords on my setup, and it might differ on different setups.
Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Beside sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away. Lighten up, take me on your magic river. Tell me all your dreams align. Sign me up and tell me about the people that you know who are trying to feel alive. Life can get hard, so honey, if you need to cry, just come share my pillow and rain, rain, go away.
So that was the sound demo. Did you hear any differences between A and B? A was the stock cable, and B was the ddHiFi power cord. Let me know if you heard any differences in the comments below, and let me know if you have any questions. So this is the end of the video. I've linked the purchase links in the description below if you're interested. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found the video helpful. Thank you for watching.